oftentimes when you look at taking on money from high net worth individuals, and to a certain extent, I would kind of put these crowdfunding platforms into a similar category, you have to be very sober in your assessment of the fact that bringing on that sort of capital is literally not doing anything for your business other than providing money. Now look, we all need money to operate businesses. I mean, that's the reality. And oftentimes you're going to take on whatever sort of capital you can raise most easily, most efficiently, most quickly, to be able to support the growth of your business. But given the choice between the two, my role as a counselor and an advisor is to help them weigh the pros and cons of each. And going back to your question specifically about these crowdfunding platforms, again, the only moment of pause that oftentimes occurs to me in laying that option out for my clients is the fact that you're not really getting any additional bang for your buck.